First, we'll open the glove box. Notice on the right side, there's that damper that we have to pull out. What I'll be doing is I'll be grabbing it from here and then pulling it down. Just like that, we pull it out. We'll just leave it to that. Now notice there's one pointer coming out right here. And notice there's also one more pointer coming out on the other side as well. We will have to push both of those pointers inwards and then pull down the glove box itself. There it is, the glove box is taken out just like that. Behind the glove box, notice there's that cover that we have to pull out. We'll need to grab it from here just like that and then pulling it outwards. There, it's pulled out. Notice it's also stuck from the middle right there. So we'll have to grab the cover and then push it downwards. There, it's pulled out from the middle. Now finally, we have to pull it out from the right side corner. There it is, we took out the cover. Right there is our filter. I'll just grab it from here and then slide it outwards. That is how we take out the filter for this car. In my case, the filter is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new filter and you want to install it back, just make sure that there are some arrow signs right there. Those arrows should be pointing towards downwards. So we'll go ahead and punch in this back where we took it out from. I always punch in the left side portion first. Once the left side is completely in, then I punch in the right side until it goes completely down. There we got the filter completely in position. Now we'll go ahead and punch in this cover. Notice on the right side of the cover, there are two tabs coming out. These two tabs are supposed to go into these two positions right there. Here I'm showing a close-up shot. So we have to make sure the cover is sitting into those two tabs. There it is, we got the cover in position just like that. Once we got the right side completely in, now we'll go ahead and push this cover all the way in. There it is. With that, we got the cover completely in position. Now it's time to punch in the glove box. Notice the glove box has these three tabs coming out, and these three tabs are supposed to go into these three positions right there. We'll go ahead and punch in the glove box, keeping in mind those three positions. Here, make sure the glove box is sitting in there properly, otherwise you would not be able to close the glove box. Once the glove box is sitting in there properly, notice there is that pointer coming out and it has to be slided upside, and there is another pointer coming out on the other side that also needs to be slided in. We'll push the glove box to make sure both of those pointers are going in. There it is, both of them are completely in. Now it's time to punch in the damper we pulled out earlier. It also has a tab that has to be slided in that position. Damper is also in place. Now we are good to close the glove box. And with that, we are done with the replacement of cabin air filter for this car. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.